nestled in the magic Scottsdale zip code of 85254. Welcome to 5960 East Pershing Avenue. This newly renovated, completely remodeled, 4-bedroom, 2-bath home, 3,335 square feet, with a chef's kitchen anyone would envy, a 6-burner gas stove, an island that sits 6 people, plus a formal dining room and sitting room. Everything that you could possibly need to entertain large families, yet also have an intimate setting for just you and your loved ones. Down the hall, you will find a gorgeous contemporary bathroom, a large walk-in shower, and double sinks. Everywhere you will find the upgraded designer lighting, closets, storage, new interior doors and hardware, large bedrooms which also emphasize the Arizona slump block construction. Large families, guests, in-laws. Your master bedroom retreat has also been newly renovated and upgraded with an Arcadia door, private sitting balcony with therapeutic Pebble Creek flooring, separate tub, and a walk-in rain shower. A beautiful custom walk-in closet with built-in. Also off the kitchen you will find a private office space, large enough to put several desks, shut off by French double doors. Your laundry room also has a full-size pantry with pull-out shelves, and again, designer flooring. As we enter the media and entertainment room, you will find designated spaces, not only to watch your favorite movies and programs, but also enjoy games, fit a large pool table, nod to the 50s bar and diner, again with quartz countertops, built-in cabinets, a wine fridge, and plenty of storage space. Again, these custom doors also lead to the outside, where you will find a backyard that is an oasis, a breath of fresh air, and entertaining spaces to suit your needs. Be it a business, an event space, a work-from-home entrepreneur, 2 huge gazebos, beautiful curtains, a built-in kitchen outside. There is nothing that you cannot do in this gorgeous, luxurious home situated in a multi-million-dollar neighborhood. And sunsets galore. Nothing obstructs your view. Offered at $1,888,000. Now is your chance to own this beautiful setting. Make me an offer.